Let me show you how to create a clean, transparent gradient text effect in Canva using a few simple steps. First, open Canva and add your image to the design. Resize it and set it as the background so it fills the entire page. Next, go to Text and type your text on the canvas. Increase the text size so it stands out clearly. Change the font to Anton to get a bold and clean look. Now open the Effects panel and choose Outline. Set the outline color to match the text color and select white. Reduce the outline thickness to 1 to keep it subtle. After that, go back to Text Color and open Gradient Styles. Select a gradient style and click the plus button to edit the colors. Change the added color to white. Add more gradient points until you have 4 colors. Switch to the second gradient style. Select the first color and make it transparent. Do the same with the second color so the gradient fades smoothly with the background image. This creates a clean, transparent gradient text effect that looks modern and professional. That's the easiest way to design transparent gradient text in Canva.